Okay, let's try a question now. It says a restaurant's gonna buy a large generator, and it's the exact same thing. It depreciates at 23%. It's expected to appreciate at 17%, and you use the reducing balance thing exactly like the example. So you appreciate means it's going to be more expensive. You figure out how much it's going to cost in the future. You figure out how much the scrap value is going to be, and you're going to subtract them. So let's see, that's what we do. That's what Mr. Autry did. He figured out the depreciated value. So you go 1 minus the 23% to the fifth power. Remember, it's when you talk about depreciation and inflation, it's just annually, just per year. There's the trade-in price, and there's the inflated price. It's going to cost 499,000 and a bit more to buy this in the future. So let's now it tells you that we're going to make monthly payments which start 1 month after the purchase of the generator. So I guess we don't have to add one or do anything. 11.4% per annum compounded monthly. Ooh, but they're going to finish 3 months before the purchase of the new machine. We're going to have to make a adjustment there. Calculate the monthly payments into the sinking fund that'll provide the required money for the purchasing of the new machine. So 3 months in and 5 years' time, so it would be 60 payments, but the payments, we want to finish the payments 3 months before the purchase. Let's see what Mr. Autry did. So he did go 3 less than 60 is 57 minus 1. Okay, so there's the money. There's the money of the 57 payments up until then. But we're just going to finish making the payments. Then we're going to let that sit for another 3 months at the same interest. You see, that's why he's added this 1 plus 0.14% per interest for 3 months. So it's just sitting there. There's the money that we need at the end, right there. Oh, he subtracted it, right. He subtracted it to get the money that we needed at the end, like I said you had to do. There's the money of what he's going to need to buy a new machine, because he's going to trade in and get 61,000 off the cost of a new machine. Okay, well that's it. That's all there is to it. Now you can sort of show your work here. You'd multiply by this, and then you divide by these other two things. You really could go this divided by and then type all this into your calculator. Maybe it would be better to do it in a step like this. This times this, and then divide by the stuff right up here. And you'll get 4,213 Rand and 11 cents. And there you go.